in the car. That's what they're up to. There we go. Give them a little hand. Give them a little hand. Allora. Ok. Andiamo. Oh, allora. That's it. Give them a hand. Oh, vai. Allora. Vai. Jamma bella, ja. Ok. 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 Va bene così? Ok. Ciao a tutti. Ancora. Ok, 1, 2, 3, vai. Okay, so I've given them. Okay, ciao.
Ciao.
Bye bye. They brought a broken Jeep. Grand Cherokee American broken down in Italy here. Anyway, so. And I stuck in the middle of the road. So what do? Give them a hand, right? Which I have done. That was easy. Just a little bit of your energy that you will share amongst the rest of the people. And that shows. And then I asked them for direction by foot. They're always asking me to take the bus. It's a long way. No, on a rainy day, it's a short and a joyful. Would you have ever experienced that? If you've been on a bus, or if you've been on a motorbike, or even anything else? Huh? No.